All right, guys, I am literally blown away by this new platform, right? I have only started this platform 14 days ago, right? Which is 2 weeks. And my portfolio value for the new BTC that I have been mining is gone over 200K, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I think something is really going to happen here in this new Bitcoin. Everything we are doing, there is no guarantee, but I believe that this is going to be okay. However, let me show you what I am talking about, because I am just blown away by this amount of money that I have right now in my portfolio. So the way it works with this platform, right? We stake with a crypto or a token called FNBTC. That is what we use for mining FNBTC and mining the new BTC. Okay, now after you finish mining every 4 hours, your capital and profit will be given back to you every 4 hours. So therefore, you have the opportunity to reinvest or compound your capital plus your profit and mine again for another 4 hours. We do this 6 times a day, every 4 hours, 6 times a day. That will give you more than 2% rewards on everything, including a combination of NEWBTC and the FNBTC. So this is my portfolio volume, right, for staking. When you earn your rewards, okay, you will earn it in 2 different parts. The first part is FNBTC. You will earn reward in that after mining, and then you will be also given a reward for NEWBTC, which you can claim. As you can see, I have already earned another reward for the NEWBTC that I can claim if I click that claim button now. Okay, but I'm not going to click the claim button because I am claiming every 24 hours. Remember, when you click on claim and stake, it's going to take some charges from your BNB. Okay, those charges are for transaction fees. So I tend to do this once a day, but my mining, which is where we do mining here, this is the tab for mining. We do mining here every 4 hours. Okay, and you earn FNBTC and you earn NEWBTC, as you can see. Okay, so they have pools for FNBTC and they have pools for NEWBTC. So you will be able to earn on those 2 tokens or cryptocurrencies, right? But what I am particularly excited about is the fact that I have only started this program and I have already a portfolio value of over 200K. So you stake this new BTC and it will be released after 100 months, right? But your FNBTC, which you get rewarded with every 4 hours, this one, you can withdraw this one, swap it for BTC, or swap it for BNB, or swap it for USDT, and you can withdraw that instantly every 4 hours. Then the new BTC is the one that you have to stake. Okay, so you are making profit in both ways. You are making profit from the FNBTC and you are also making profit from the new BTC. However, the new BTC, you have to stake it and keep it there for 100 months. So this staked NEWBTC, my own portfolio, as of when I'm recording this video, is over 200,000. Now, I have not even introduced this to my team. As at when I'm recording this video, I have not introduced it to my team. I do have, showed it to 2 of my members that are eager to start before I introduce it. So this is the amount of money I have already made before I introduced this to my team. If you are watching this video, know that I made this money before I introduce it to my team. Okay, so there is nothing like, referral commission in this figure that you are looking at. Okay, so you will see, the detailed information on each of the quantity of the new BTC that I am staking every day. Okay, and you will notice that it will tell you when it is going to be unlocked. Okay, and if you do the math here, it's about 100 months, right? So I used to think that it was 100 days, but later on, after much research and learning, and attending Zooms, I got to understand that it is actually 100 months. And you will see that it says locked on the status here, and the action is on stake soon. So once the date for you to unstake becomes available, this button will be highlighted for you to unstake and withdraw your money. So I am quite happy with this platform, guys. I am earning in both ways. I am earning NEWBTC, and I am also earning the FNBTC. Now the NEWBTC is pegged to Bitcoin. So the value of Bitcoin right now is equivalent to this NEWBTC. All right, so that is all I have to say about this video, just to let you know that my portfolio value, as at when I'm recording this video, I have not introduced it to my team, but I have made over 200K. So guys, it's entirely up to you what you want to do. If you would like to join this platform, use the link below this video description, and you will make up to 2% daily. Even sometimes you make more depending on the value of FNBTC, as at when you are mining or when you get your, claimable rewards. It's entirely up to you. If you would like to register, the link to do so is below this video description. And of course, follow the steps. Watch the video that I have done showing you how to get registered, or just follow the steps I have written below this video description, and you will be able to register and start mining every 4 hours and begin to make money, because that is what we are here for, isn't it? Passive income. That is what we are here for. So if you are interested, follow the link below this video description. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.